Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, Junction City, Oregon, at Guarantee RV to present to you a pre-owned 2019 40A Winnebago Horizon. Great coach, good price, it's a pre-owned, so let's go in and look at this fabulous coach. You come in, the thing is just absolutely beautiful. Very modern looking, very sleek, clean lines. Nice living area, so you got a huge couch, and these pull out and give you little ottomans that you can rest your feet up on. You have a nice little chair right here. Let's see if I can get these open. A lot of cabinetry, a lot of stuff hidden in this coach because of the look, but there's stuff behind every nook and cranny. Over here you got the table, you got the TV right there, but this table is a slide and glide table, so you can just move it accordingly. It's pretty cool. Little island right here. TV, fireplace, little bar area in there. 2 sinks, dual sizes. Pretty neat. Again, a lot of cabinetry up here. Induction cooktop right there. A lot of room under there. Here you got microwave convection. And right here is your dishwasher, and then you have the refrigerator freezer right here. It's huge, very cool. One of the things I like on this are these doors, and then of course you have the multiplex system right behind it there. But coming back in here, you got the bathroom. Take a look at this in here. You got a lot of room. You can get 2 or 3 people in here. You have a huge shower with a place to, put your foot up on and either shave your legs or sit there and wash your feet. Whatever you got there. A lot of ambient lighting in here. Huge mirrors on the vanity. Dual sinks, which is great. A lot of storage. And then this wonderful Technic commode right here. Now, coming back into the bedroom, you have the ideal rest bed. Now that's got some of that Tempur-Pedic stuff on it, whatever that is. Very squishy, but the bed folds up in case you want to sit and watch the TV that comes up and out of there. Pretty cool. Back here, washer, dryer. This thing is loaded as these go. So every option was really put on this coach. Let's see if I can open this up. Sometimes it's like a jigsaw puzzle, but look at all the room you have back there in that wardrobe. Pretty cool. You got more fuses and stuff in the back there, and a little compartment back there to hide stuff in. One of the things that I think is really neat is this skinny mirror right here. So I just took about 15 pounds off myself. You just look in that mirror and it just makes you look a lot skinnier than you thought you were. Let's go up front, see what it has to offer. So coming up here, you're gonna have Winnebago made seats for the Horizon. You got so much stuff up here, just a few of the things. You got your levelers at the touch of a button. You got an Allison transmission. You got heated mirrors. You got, boy, look at that. You got all kinds of stuff right there. You got your shades over there. You got heat. You got the exhaust brake. You have cruise control. You have the wipers on the touch of a button. There's just so much right here. You have an Infotainment Center right here, and then one over here for the co-pilot. Plug-ins in the little area right there. Again, the sleek look up here really cleans it up. This is just an awesome coach. Right here, you have the slide-out controls and the locking mechanisms for those slide-outs. The lighting in here is tremendous. It's all kind of the LED ambient type lighting, but man, it really lights it up in here and it's just absolutely beautiful. Let's go outside and just look at a few things out here. This is so loaded that you have to give a call or come out and see it for yourself. And this one's pre-owned, and so all of the bugs that are in a normal new coach have been ironed out in this coach. So it's well worth the look if you're looking for one of these. So this is going to have that Maxim chassis, so you got that huge storage tray right there. I think there's about 280 square feet of storage underneath one of these coaches, but that whole slide tray comes out so you can access all your stuff that you have under there very easily. Outside TV. Right there, you do have an aqua hot in here for heating and hot water on demand. Look at this slide, how long that slide is, and then you got another one right behind it. It's just amazing. Let's see if we have anything back here. Just a little storage area back there for tools and whatever you have. So they utilized it, 6 inches of space there, other than having the engine compartment come out and not have any room there at all. Coming to the back, this does feature a 400 Cummins in this coach with the Allison transmission. You have a camera up top, your tow receptacle down there, nice guard down below, keep rocks from hitting your tow car and that sort of thing. Coming over to the side, you got your coach batteries, some more fuses right there. The DEF, you have an automatic cord reel in this compartment right over here, which is a lifesaver. Instead of winding up 50 feet of cord, you got that. Now let's go up here. I want to show you this. So right here where there is no slide, you have the wet bay. You have the filter to the house, you got the sewage pulls, you got everything right there, water pump, Santa flush, everything right at the touch of a button, and you're not dipping under these slide outs to try to get to it, which is very comfortable. Again, you got your storage here that goes through to the other side that we saw up front. You have the run bay, huge generator up front. You have the side cameras, all that stuff on this loaded 2019 40A Horizon. If this coach is of interest to you, and I don't think there's a lot of these around the US, so if this one is it, please give me a call, Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the guarantee number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.